Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO X60 Pro, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's tap on the apps and notifications. Now we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on special app access, and here let's find the option which is called install unknown apps. And as you can see here, we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install something. So for example, if you'd like to allow Gmail to install some content, then simply tap on it and tap on this switcher. After getting back, you can see that from now on the Gmail is allowed to install something, but be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and device on the risk. So of course you can turn off all of the previously given permissions, just tap on the app you'd like to turn off and tap on the switcher again, and as you can see from now on the Gmail is not allowed to install anything. So actually this is it. This is how to allow unknown sources in your VIVO X60 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.